wanabiashara sasa watahangaika, watakuwa na kazi ngumu sana kwa sababu ya upitaji wa njia, maana na bei ya gharama itakuwa juu katika bidhaa, na bei tena ya transportation itakuwa juu, kwa sababu tunaona ya kwamba kila jambo itakuwa na cost, na maneno ya referral sasa kurifaa wagonjwa kutoka hospitali yetu wa sub-county yetu wa Sigor itakuwa ni vigumu sana, kwa sababu hakuna venye wataweza kupitia.
This lorry, for example, was carrying this sugar to reach Jabara, and the sugar is deposited. People carry manually the sugar bags across the river, so all that is loaded onto the expenditure. Businessmen can take advantage. Businessmen want to recover their money they spend waiting and queuing on the highway. That is now the worst threat that is coming. It's going to upset everything here, and in the next 3 or 4 weeks we're opening schools. Fees will be a challenge here, and so on and so on. So the national government stand with us by coming to restore the infrastructure quickly. We have tried ourselves as a county government. We have sent the excavator. Excavators have nothing to do with this. We have no skill like this for our counties. National government needs to take the responsibility so seriously.